This year I'm excited and thankful to be a essential workforce, and we're also thankful for all of our customers to allow us to be of their homes.
This holiday season, I think there's so much to be thankful for. 2020 has been a crazy year. We have all come out on the other side and learned a lot, and we've all become, I don't know if resilient is the word. There's been a lot of grit this year to get us all through it. We've been very blessed. We've had a good year, marketing, personally, professionally, everything. God is good. So I'm just excited this year about getting through the year and everyone being healthy.
My job, I'm thankful for my job and my work family.
My name's Hunter Fallen with Frontier. I'm thankful for my beautiful wife and my awesome position here at Frontier.
So I am thankful for obviously my family, my friends, my community, my work family. Frontier Basement Systems has been a great home after relocating earlier this year, so I'm thankful for that.
This year I'm thankful for family and new baby on the way and my Frontier family, and I'm just being thankful to be here.
I'm thankful my son goes back to school November the 30th because he was counted absent today from sleeping in class.
I am thankful for family and our Frontier family, and that I was able to buy a house, and then I got married. So many things happened this year that I'm thankful for.
I'm thankful for my friends and my family, and I'm thankful for my job here at Frontier and all the good people here.
My name is Luke Rock, and I am thankful for my children, good house to live in, and I am thankful for my position here at Frontier with all my friends.
My family, my husband, and my baby boy that's on the way.
I am thankful for my son Daniel, and I'm thankful for a place to come to work every day where everybody is so happy and friendly and people can put up with me. And I'm thankful that I am healthy.
So I'm very thankful for the friends and family that have come together for me, and this is my 3rd week here, so I'm very thankful to be here.
I am thankful for every single person in this company and the families that support them. I am thankful for my family, and I'm so thankful that I am able to work with people in my family that will work with me, and the people that are my work family, that they appreciate where they're at, and we're just very thankful to have them. So I am looking forward to 2021 and getting 2020 behind us. So we just hope you have a very blessed and happy Thanksgiving.